Hello everyone, Shubham this side. So guys, today I have a very interesting topic. And guys, first time I'm making this video in front of camera. Guys, I have my own YouTube channel where I do upload the technical courses video. And I'm doing this since long time. And first time I'm representing myself in front of camera. So guys, today I have a very interesting topic and I'm going to discuss about the AI tools. Guys, now IT companies are moving for the layoff because of the AI applications. They are using AI applications for automating their tasks. Like if I'm talking about the automate AI tools like Chatgpt and Copilot, and many applications are available in IT industries. And IT companies are using these applications for automate purpose. Even by these applications we can do everything. We can write a script and we can write queries. So we can do everything by these tools. So guys, if you want to continue work in IT industry, so just upgrade yourself. And if you have time, so you can go on Google and you can do some browsing about these tools. Because if you have time, so we can easily learn about these tools. And these applications are very interesting and very useful. So guys, this is my advice to all of you who are working in IT industry. So guys, do enhance your knowledge and spend your time with technical things. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye and take care. And one more thing I'm going to say, if you're watching my technical courses video, just share with your colleagues and with your office mates, and do like, do subscribe. If you have any doubts for any topic, so you can suggest me over the comment. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye and take care.